Nvidia stock investors have recently expressed concerns about Broadcom and big tech developing their own custom AI chips, questioning whether this could diminish the need for Nvidia's dominant H100 GPUs or its upcoming Blackwell platform. However, these concerns are unfounded, and Nvidia remains in a strong position. In this discussion, we'll dive into why Nvidia's GPUs are critical to the AI ecosystem, how they differ from custom ASIC solutions, and why the company's leadership in the space is secure. Broadcom and other custom ASIC providers are helping major players like Amazon, Google, Meta, and Microsoft create AI accelerators tailored for specific workloads. Amazon has the Inferentia and Trainium chips, Google has TPUs, Microsoft has the Maya AI chip, and Meta is working on its own solutions. Reports suggest that OpenAI is also collaborating with Broadcom to develop custom chips. Despite this, Nvidia's position as the leader in merchant AI accelerators remains unchallenged. Merchant GPUs like Nvidia's H100 are broadly available, highly versatile, and critical to handling the rapid evolution of AI workloads. The AI accelerator market can be split into two categories: merchant GPUs and custom ASICs. Nvidia dominates the merchant GPU market with nearly $100 billion in annual revenue compared to AMD's $5 billion. Custom ASICs designed for narrow tasks are gaining traction among cash-rich tech giants, but their limitations are significant. While ASICs can be cheaper and more efficient for specific workloads, they lack the flexibility and programmability of GPUs. AI is a fast-evolving field, and workloads that dominate today might change within a year or two. Custom ASICs cannot adapt quickly to these shifts, but Nvidia GPUs can, ensuring their continued relevance. Market projections highlight Nvidia's secure position. The total AI accelerator market is expected to grow to $22 billion by 2028, but custom ASICs will account for only 16% of this market. The majority of revenue will come from merchant GPUs. Additionally, Nvidia's leadership extends beyond hardware. Its software ecosystem, featuring CUDA, TensorRT, and a suite of optimized libraries, provides a mature and robust development environment. In contrast, big tech's custom chips often require new, untested ecosystems, creating friction for developers and customers. Flexibility is another critical factor. Cloud providers like AWS or Microsoft Azure serve a diverse range of customers with varying workloads. Relying solely on custom chips for AI isn't practical, as these chips are optimized for narrow tasks. Nvidia GPUs, however, are highly programmable and capable of handling multiple types of workloads, from AI to high-performance computing. This versatility is crucial in ensuring that cloud providers can meet the needs of all their customers. Nvidia's ability to innovate rapidly forces its competitors to keep up. For example, if Microsoft uses Nvidia GPUs to achieve superior performance in its cloud services, competitors like Amazon are compelled to follow suit to avoid losing market share. Nvidia's dominance in hardware innovation ensures that its products remain a top choice across the industry. Supply chain considerations also favor Nvidia. As one of TSMC's largest customers, Nvidia secures priority access to manufacturing resources, ensuring better supply chain agility compared to smaller-scale chip producers like Broadcom. This scale gives Nvidia a significant advantage in meeting growing demand. Both Nvidia GPUs and custom ASICs have their place in the AI ecosystem. Custom chips excel in optimizing specific workloads, but are constrained by their narrow focus and inability to adapt to rapidly changing demands. Nvidia GPUs, on the other hand, offer the flexibility, programmability, and innovation necessary to thrive in an evolving market. Think of Nvidia's GPUs as adaptable tools capable of handling any task, while custom ASICs are like tools designed for a single purpose, highly efficient but limited in scope. Despite the growth of custom ASICs, Nvidia's market share isn't shrinking. Rather, the overall market is expanding, allowing both sectors to grow. Nvidia remains the leader, thanks to its unmatched ecosystem, innovative technology, and critical role in supporting the AI industry's rapid evolution. Investors can rest assured that Nvidia will continue to thrive as the dominant player in the AI accelerator market. As always, this channel is dedicated to keeping you informed about the latest market developments. Share your thoughts and questions about Palantir below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates. Have a wonderful start to your Christmas week, and we'll see you in the next episode.